Okay, let's get to some of our favorite stuff on here. What did I buy on eBay today? eBay crap. This, I think, is right side case. Or left side case. One of the two. Probably not. Yep, that's what it is. Shovelhead case. Alright, so I'm not exactly sure what I'm getting here because it's butchered. So it's a shovelhead case. For some reason it got drilled back here, I'm not sure why. It also got drilled over here. Those are usually where numbers are at. Looks like it had a high water level in it. Maybe it'll drain the water out of it. Yeah, they drained it. Yeah, they put holes to drain the water out. That's what they did. So, anyway, this is just a junk case. For whatever reason, they decided not to use it. So what I do on a case like this is, first thing I do is I feel for a lip between the steel and the aluminum here, and that tells me if the insert's loose. So right now there's no lip, so it's machined flat like it's supposed to be. So then you take a hammer, beat on it slightly, turn it back over, preferably don't lay it on top of it again, and feel for a lip. Once again, there's no lip. The final test is you heat it up to about 250-300 degrees and do the same test. If there's no lip, it's a good case. That insert's tight, because these inserts get loose. Now, this case having these water holes in it means it's got some issues with some authorities about it, whose true nature this case is. Got a 70 something after, I can't read it. So anyway, it is a good case if you want to do something. There's nothing wrong with this case. It's actually good condition. There's no cracks. The holes are all good. The insert looks good. Something was eating on it right there, some kind of shifting thing. So I'm guessing it's probably out of an FXE where it had a mid control on it. Be my guess. It's definitely a late case. I would definitely put this into at least in the late 70s, early 80s. Being out of the material, the case looks really nice. It's probably an 80s case. Would be my guess. Looks pretty good. Anyway, they're all the same interchangeability wise, but this one's definitely a later case, pretty sure. So, now in 81, they went to a bigger lip right here for the alternator seal, and this appears to be a big alternator seal, a big O-ring lip. So that would put it at 81 to 84. Going by what the case looks like, I'm good with that being what it is, because it's definitely got the larger diameter O-ring in there. So that puts the 81 to 84 case. So even though there's no numbers on it, you can tell. And the motor mounts are still good, and this is a nice case. So the reason I bought it was because it's parts. If I need some parts to fix another case, like a panic case where the whole bottom's blowing out of it, but this part's still good, you can go ahead and section out this whole section right here and weld it into a panic case, weld it all back together, and fix the case. Because that makes it something more valuable, because panic cases are worth money. Shovelhead cases are still pretty dirt cheap, so that's why I bought this. I didn't buy it to actually use it for a cone motor, but you never know, it could be. If one was needed, weld up these holes and match up to another case, you'd be fine. But I bought it for other reasons. But you know, it could still get used on a shovel. Alright, there you go. I'm going to guess that's an 81 to 84 used case. Yeah. I'll go with that. All right, there you go.